Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Have you ever felt that you needed to compromise your style in order to get that true function needed with a hand towel? Well, worry no more. This GILDEN Waffle hand towel set is the perfect solution to bring beautiful textiles into your kitchen without sacrificing the functionality. Let me tell you a little bit about why I love this hand towel set. The soft neutral hues that I've selected of stone and sage gray are perfect because they're found in nature, and so therefore they tend to go with any type of cabinetry, any tone of tiles that you have in your kitchen and bathroom spaces, and I find myself using them in each space. The waffle weave texture not only adds that little pop of style, it also serves a wonderful purpose. When I wipe down a countertop or use it to dry my hands after washing dishes, I find that it is fully absorbent. These GILDEN Waffle hand towels are the perfect blend of beauty and function. And because of their wonderful absorbency and quick drying ability, I'm going to be adding the bath mat, the bath towels, and the washcloths to my collection. So if you want to enjoy what I've been enjoying, add them to your household and you will not regret it. And that's my point of view.